You heard him. He said it because he's white. Is that true?
White.
True. Huh? Is it? Oh, look at that beautiful set. Look at that. So why can't Blake go with you, huh? Is there not enough room in the car?
No,
What is it?
No, it's just
Because I'm white.
this is Bobby's house. He doesn't know you, that's why.
You don't know me either.
Stunner.
Bobby don't know you.
You don't know me.
Be serious, went to high school.
Yeah, but we didn't talk. He barely know me. And he went to high school with us too, so he basically knows him too. So
I know, that's why I said, Blake, I don't know why you don't know him.
Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm... Do dance.
I can't.
Oh, did you fix your butt thing? Your loop? Oh, look, that sexy hair. Oh, sexy. Baywatch all over again. Woo! Get your fucking mouth out of my glass.